Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get trophies on chess.com. If you've ever visited someone's profile and noticed that those cool trophies displayed on their page, you might be wondering how players actually earn them. The good news is there are several different ways to collect trophies, including league play, social awards, and achievements built into the platform. First, let's talk about league trophies, which are the most common ones players earn automatically while playing games. Start by going to the play section on chess.com and begin a live match. This can be bullet, blitz, or rapid. Every time you win a rated game, you'll earn league trophies that count toward your weekly division ranking. The more games you win, the more trophies you collect during the week. Chess.com groups players into leagues such as wood, stone, bronze, silver, and higher levels as you progress. Your goal is to finish the week in the top positions of your division. For example, many leagues allow the top 20 players to advance to the next division. The weekly league typically ends on Sunday around 12 p.m. Pacific time. One useful tip is that rapid games usually reward more trophies than bullet games, so if you want to climb faster, playing longer time controls can help you earn trophies more efficiently. Another way to get trophies on chess.com is through social trophies that players can send to each other. To do this, open another player's profile page. Under their profile picture, click the More button. From the menu, choose the award option with the trophy icon. You'll see a list of fun trophies you can send, like Good Sport, Great Game, or other community awards. Select the trophy you want and click Send. Other players can do the same for you, so being friendly, playing fair, and having good games often encourages people to send trophies to your profile. Finally, chess.com also includes achievements and medals that unlock when you complete milestones, improve ratings, or explore different features on the platform. As you keep playing, learning, and participating, these achievements add even more trophies to your profile. And that's how to get trophies on chess.com. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple chess.com guides.